If you've invested in lean training before, you've probably seen this. People complete the training, but very little changes in the actual process. That's because lean capability isn't built through content alone. It's built through training plus application plus feedback. Lean Training Online from EMS Consulting Group is designed to help teams build real, continuous improvement capability without the cost and complexity of traditional classroom rollouts. Our enterprise learning accounts give your organization a private, branded training portal with access to our full course library and certification programs. From your admin dashboard, you can 1. Add learners and manage enrollment. 2. Assign courses and learning paths. 3. Track progress and assessment results. And 4. Roll out consistent training across teams and sites. Enterprise learners have access to our full Lean and Six Sigma library, including Certified Lean Practitioner, Lean Facilitator, Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt, Green Belt, and Black Belt, plus practical tool-based courses like A3 problem solving, value stream mapping, standard work, 5S, pull systems, flow, and more. We can also help you build role-based learning paths tailored to your organization. And now we've launched a new add-on that helps solve the biggest challenge in e-learning application. CI Navigator is our on-demand coaching assistant designed to help learners as they apply lean tools to real work. It supports better project scoping, stronger A3 thinking, better root cause analysis, and more consistent project execution, especially for certification learners. If you're considering lean training for a team, we offer annual enterprise plans and a low-risk 90-day team pilot to help you get started quickly. To request a demo or learn more, visit lean-training-online.com and contact us.